Francis here. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how you can promote high-ticket product, okay, that is actually not yours to earn money online. Now, this is actually called affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is one of the interesting ways you can basically use to make money on the internet by basically promoting other people's product or their services for a commission. So if you'd like to learn more about that, this is the content where we're going to be walking you through how to basically promote high-ticket products and services as an affiliate, okay. It's a very, very lucrative business model, and you're going to love it, okay, because you don't have the product, you don't have the service, you just basically direct people to something that can basically help them, okay. So if you've been looking for different ways to basically start a thing online, basically this affiliate marketing is the right way to go. It's one of the best and it's good for newbies as well. So if this is your first time stopping by on the channel, my name is Francis Abogonye, and this is the channel where I talk about entrepreneurship, making money online, doing online marketing, getting leads, and all those cool stuff. So if you'd like to know more about this and you want content such as this, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload value packed videos and you don't get to miss out on anything. You're going to be learning loads of stuff that have to do with online marketing basically. So with that being said, I'm going to be diving right to my screen on computer and I'm going to be walking through the blueprint that I've actually set up for you, which I'm going to be breaking down how you can find the product online, the affiliate programs, the networks you can join, okay, to basically get started, the kind of product you should promote, the traffic sources, and also how you can basically collect your money. All right, so I'm just going to be breaking this down in a summarized format, okay, running you through the entire blueprint. So I encourage you to just stay to the end of this video so you don't miss out on anything. I get to understand how it basically works. So with that being said, let's dive right into my computer. Come on with me, let's do this now. All right,
what you want to promote first, okay, that's the first step you're going to be taking, which is going online, seeing where you can find problems that people are currently having and how you can solve that problem for them, okay, because let's talk about this a lot, about if you can point out a problem people are having, okay, you can easily provide a solution for them, okay. That is the fastest way to basically get in front of the right audience and basically give them what they are looking for and get them to buy it because they have a problem and they need a solution, okay. So that's the first thing you want to consider first. Then we want to make sure we now go and get our offer and our affiliate link, okay. So when you come over to Google, you can just search high paying or high ticket affiliate programs. There are so many blogs that have done reviews on this high ticket product and high ticket blogs, okay. So you can basically check them out and see the ones you can join to start earning high commissions, okay. For the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to be looking at Clickbank. For me, what I consider high ticket is anything above $500 and above, because if you can sell like 2 or 1 in a month, okay, you're already at $500. If you sell 2, you're at $1,000 commission every single month. So that can get you started on the right path. So for this tutorial, we're just going to be using Clickbank. Okay, if you don't have a Clickbank account, you can basically just go and create one. Okay, it's actually free to do. Create a Clickbank account, have access to affiliate products because it gives you room to basically easily pick a product and start promoting it for a commission. And the good part about it also is it's beginner friendly, okay. You don't need too much experience, as everybody used to say. All right, you need too much experience and all of that. No, you don't. You just need very little experience. And in summary, I'm going to be giving you a bonus at the end of this video on what to do to basically help you set all of this up and also get you started the right way. So on Clickbank right here, you can see there are so many. This is the marketplace. Once you log in, you can come to the affiliate marketplace to find products like this. So I recommend you find product that have high ticket, that is high ticket. Now, one thing I get to notice is over time I've been doing affiliate marketing also is sometimes you find a product, okay, that people are not buying more. You see a lot of people talk about sell what is selling more and all of that, which is actually good, okay, and there's also competition. But the thing is, there's some products on Clickbank or there's some product online that don't have much audience, okay. There are very little people who tend to look at them that have that kind of problem, and you can basically solve that for them also. So you can come over to Clickbank and just look for products that you can basically promote. You can see this one here, $500 and all of that. You can check it out. And the beauty about it is that they have an affiliate page, okay. They have an affiliate page that you can get resources from. All right. So your initial conversion can be 47. There's upsells, downsells, and all those stuff inside it. But to get started with this, let's say we want to work with this particular one. We hit on promote. We put our nickname. We get hop links and all of that. We can copy the hop link. This is actually the affiliate link we're going to be using to promote. So in our steps right here, okay, the first part is to get our affiliate link, okay. And this link, one major thing, this affiliate product you're promoting, okay, you must make sure it provides value and it solves a particular target audience problem. Okay, provides value and it solves the problem of your target. Let's spell target again. The target audience. All right, you should note this. Okay, you want to make sure it is solving a problem. This is the first step you want to look at. Then the next thing you want to do is, let's just move this, is to build a funnel. You can see right here, I already illustrated it. You want to make sure you build a funnel. Okay, and your funnel is the next phase you want to worry about. Okay, and in terms of building a funnel, there's a lot of things revolving around it. Okay, this is not a funnel tutorial, so I can't actually walk you through it. You can just go on YouTube and just type how to build a funnel and all those cool stuff. But in the description of this video, I'm going to leave a link that you can basically access Builderall. Builderall is an amazing tool that you can use to build a funnel, and an amazing web pages online. So what you want to do is you want to build a funnel which will serve as your landing page, okay, where people come to opt into your funnel. Now, your landing page, to get people to your landing page also, what you want your landing page to have is to make sure your landing page have something that offers value. Okay, something like let me say a free report. So, like free reports, yeah, something like this. You're offering a free report. This report can either be, you can say this report can either be PDF, maybe like an ebook format, okay, or it can be in video format. So this is what you're offering for free, okay, like a free report that offers value to your potential prospect and all of that. And this free report right here is going to break down, okay, or give solution to the potential prospect. It can be, your free report can be basic stuff that says like 10 steps to X. I don't know, it can be anything else, okay, or it can be basic, it can be secrets to X. Okay, let me just put this right here. It can be secrets to X, or it can be this reveals the solution to X. Okay, you're actually giving people ideas or something that can actually help them solve a particular problem. Okay, it can be this reveals the secret to getting the perfect skin or the perfect smile and all those stuff. This reveals the secret to getting the perfect smile or the perfect secret and all those cool stuff. Okay, that is what your report, okay, or your free video is going to offer. Okay, and now this page now serves as an opt-in. This is where people come to and basically opt in, where you collect their contact information. Okay, you can collect their contact information on your landing page right here before giving them the report, or basically giving them access to watch the video they're going to be gaining value from. Okay, that's simple. Where they're going to be gaining value from. So that's basically the first step you want to consider. So once they opt into once they put their contact information, maybe their first name and email, they opt into your funnel, then you now give them access to the presentation page. The presentation page is now the page whereby you're going to be showing them the video. Okay, so there's a video right here. Let me just draw this real quick. Let's say I prefer video a lot. Let's just draw this play button sign right here. So there's a video right here. Okay, you can just have something like a video that's just explaining the entire thing and all of those cool stuff. And underneath the video, there should be a call to action button. There should be a big button right here that just have your affiliate link. Let me just, I'm not good at drawing like this. Let me see if I can do this. This just have like your affiliate link. Okay, this went well. So this is affiliate link. So this button right here is going to have your affiliate link. So in the presentation, okay, you're going to be helping this person or this potential prospect or this individual that have a problem. You're going to be breaking the secret you found, or the 10 steps you have, or the secret that reveals a particular thing about whatever. You're going to be breaking it down here on video. Okay, or you're basically going to be giving them access to download the PDF format of it and all those cool stuff that will help them solve their problem. Okay, I prefer video and I recommend video a lot. That's why I say it's a video presentation. Then you have a button right here that is telling them to go and buy the product, okay, after providing value to them, after helping them solve their problem. This works like magic, okay, this works like charm, and it is very, very interesting, very, very easy to do. Let me not say it's that easy to do, okay, because it requires practice and consistency. So what you can now do is, you in the video you mentioned that they should click on the link right here. So your presentation can just be like a white a PowerPoint presentation, just slides, just rolling through, just something basic, okay, it doesn't have to be advanced and all of that. So once your presentation is done, okay, people get to come to this page and they can see your link, they can click on your link. Then you want to take them to the next phase. Once they click on this affiliate link right here, the next phase they'll be going to, okay, is to the sales page of the product, or the offer, because you are promoting an offer. Remember, you came to an affiliate network, okay, to get an affiliate link, you came to a network to get an affiliate link, okay, you find an offer you want to promote, you want to sell it for a commission, you get that affiliate link, and that is the place you are sending the prospect from your video presentation to. Okay, this is where you'll be making the money. Now remember, once you give once the prospect or people get to visit your landing page, okay, which is the opt-in page, that they have a particular problem and they want you to solve that for them with your video presentation that is actually free, or your free report and all those cool stuff. You collected their email and their contact information, which you're going to be using to send them follow-up messages. Okay, we call this follow-up messages. And for follow-up messages, basically, okay, as you're sending it, your emails should also have call to action. All right, Builderall is the tool that basically help you do all this thing I'm talking about, in terms of you get to work with a platform that have everything in one. Okay, I get to enjoy it a lot because I don't have to go and be using another software for email marketing, another software for building landing pages and websites. I can just basically use what I have. I can use Builderall, stay in Builderall, build my email marketing sequences and all of that. So in the email marketing sequence, okay, you want to be having call to action in the emails. All right, so the call to action will be leading people to this same page. Let me show you right here. The call to action will be leading individuals to this page right here. Oh shit. The call to action will be leading people to this page right here, the sales page. All right, so your call to action is leading, oh no, call to action is leading people to this page right here for them to buy your affiliate product, okay, for them to buy that product. And when they buy that product, you are getting a commission every time they get to buy the product. That is why you see this dollar sign right here. Money, money, money. Money can be made in emails that is being sent out. So email is one of the best ways we use to follow up. Another way you can use to follow up, okay, for you to get sales for high ticket product, is using retargeting videos. Retargeting ads and videos are one of the best. So you retarget people that have actually visited this page. Okay, people that have actually visited this page, you get to retarget them. All right, anybody that have come through your ad and all those stuff and they visit this page, let me just draw this right here, your landing page, you can retarget them back. This is quite funny, my drawing sucks. So you can retarget anybody that have actually visited this page. How you can basically do that is because on this page you will have what we call pixel, okay, pixel code. It's a line of code, okay, that will basically help you or know the people that have actually visited this page and the activities on the page. That's simple. All right, so you can retarget them, set up a retargeting ad. Facebook does this amazingly well. Set up a retargeting ad and follow up on them. Okay, you can use the Google Pixel or the Facebook Pixel for this, depending on the ad platform you're using to promote your offer. All right, so this is the simple blueprint or the simple steps you can follow to promote high ticket product the right way. You can be spending money on ads, but you're going to be making back the money because the product you're promoting is high ticket. So if you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sales, you can basically cover up for your ads, rinse and repeat the process over and over again. Okay, and this process is a system that basically works for you even while you are asleep. So another cool thing right here is the traffic. Once you set this up, okay, you want to get traffic, and the traffic you can use, like I said, is you can use Facebook ads. Okay, Facebook ads is amazing. You can use Google ads to create search advertisement depending on the product you are promoting. Okay, because some people get to go to Google and search for a particular product or a particular solution the moment they have that pain point. Okay, they go to Google to search it. So if your ad can show up in the first page of Google, which is searchable ads. Okay, people can see it, see your landing page, they can click on it, visit it, follow your funnel, get to buy your product, and all those cool stuff. You can as well use native ads. Native ads also work like charm. They're also amazing, all right, because they don't look like advertisements. They're just there in this website that basically offer that. All right, there's so many websites that does native ad. Native ads is a huge game on its own. I'm not diving right into it right now because we get to talk a lot about spying on competitors and all those stuff that revolves around native ads. So it's a whole lot. In my subsequent video, in my next video, I'm going to be breaking that down for you guys as well. Okay, so this is the entire blueprint on how you can basically promote or sell high ticket product, high ticket affiliate product or affiliate services. This is it right here. Oh, I don't know, we have this big page. Okay, let me just zoom out. So this is the entire strategy, the entire funnel. If you miss any part of this, you can just basically rewind the video, come back to it, okay, go back and forth and all those cool stuff. If you have any questions for me regarding this, let me know in the question. If you'd like to learn from me one-on-one, you can click the link in the description of this video to contact my team. I'll get to work together on how we can help make money online and grow together. All right, so let me know your contributions. If there's anything you'd like me to add to this video or my next video, let me know that in the comment section. Give this video a like, and until next time, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.